Hello and welcome to Kate's Country Cottage in Liscannor, County Clare. We are delighted to present for sale this fantastic 2-bedroom completely refurbished cottage set in this stunning location along the Wild Atlantic Way, just a short stroll to the Cliffs of Moher Cliff Walk, and indeed you have an abundance of country roads and laneways to be enjoyed along with the amazing countryside that you will enjoy around County Clare. The property is just 5 minutes drive to Liscannor village. It's 10 to 12 minutes to Lahinch, and you have Doolin 15 minutes in the other direction. So you are set in a really convenient position while enjoying the abundance of countryside living and of course the character that this 2-bedroom property boasts throughout. Full credit to the owner of this amazing home. They have ensured that every attention to detail has been retained. You can see it with the stone walls down to the slate roof that you'll see on this building and indeed the main house itself. Just the absolute respect for the original property is to be applauded, and you'll see that as we go around the entire property. So we'll go up to the first boundary, which is this one here, and we'll just take a walk down to show you the extent of this offering that we have here in Liscannor. So as we pass out the sheds here to the left, you have an abundance of outbuildings which are gated, of course. Again, take note of the stone walls and just as I've said already, the detail that has gone in throughout, both inside and out. As we continue on here, you see you've side access leading to the raised gardens which are positioned behind, and again I'll show those off later on. Then we're here onto the front of the property. Look at the flagstones that are out to the front of the house. You have your seated benching. Again, you have your wall here to the left hand side. You have your storage shed here, another one here to the left. That is housing the utility. And again, great space. I'm not going to show you the inside of any of the outbuildings on our video presentation to show off, just so that we have something to show off on your time of view. With that, you can see the depth of it, and that has the wash machine, the bins, the oil burner, everything is housed inside there. And again, I'll just walk you close. Look at the slate roof finished in the flagstone. It is just absolutely stunning. Another gated access here. This is the main parking area of the house, set to the right hand side of the site, and again an abundance of parking space. You can see it there with the car that's parked. You can certainly comfortably get another 2 cars here to the left, another one here straight ahead of us that can be extended if you needed it. And of course then we are up to the rear gardens, which are again bound by all your fully restored walls. Look at the rear of the cottage and the way the gardens meet the back boundary. The detail and just the absolute, just as I said already, the respect that has gone into this really is a credit to the owners. So as we arrive to the top of the garden here, the lawn area, as you see that's the parking area there to the left hand side, the back of the cottage. You won't really get to appreciate it perhaps on the video, but you have a stunning view down into Liscannor and Lahinch on the left hand side. It really is an all-rounder property. You've all the character of your traditional Irish cottage, but you have a lot of the modern comforts that you'll see inside as well, but nicely camouflaged and again with great respect. Again, look at the dry walls, lawn area again to the right hand side. You've all your mature trees. Overall, what an outdoor space. Really top class. So back to the front of the house, and we'll head inside and show off some of the interior features. So as we come in the main door, as I said outside, the amazing finishes that you saw outside are carried in to the interior as well, with the exposed stonework the minute you come in the main doorway, and a very nice flow to the cottage. Like your traditional Irish cottage, as you walk into the property, you immediately walk in to the heart of the home. And that is certainly what this space is. A fantastic vaulted ceiling with the exposed beams, the timber finishes, the exposed stonework. But look at the open hearth fireplace. They have the solid fuel stove inserted. A really, really stunning piece and a real focal point for when you come in the main door. The flagstone flooring, nicely done, and again you've the nice wide slabs. You've great natural light coming through the property as well. You have your kitchen and dining space. So as I say, this is the heart as you come in, and you can really see it here, where the conversations will be had around the solid fuel stove. And then if you want to go to the little more modern touch, you have off of this the main reception room. And the main reception room here, again, very nicely appointed. As I say, you have some of the modern luxuries in the cottage, but nicely camouflaged. And again, you have the nice vaulted ceiling here with the exposed beams. You have the windows, and again, look at the sash windows. They're all very, very well presented, very well maintained. These are all the sash windows with the weights as well. So again, little things like the absolute detail. And it really is, it's something that you really appreciate more when you come to view. Just the little touches that the owner has put into this property to ensure that the full character is retained. It's a far more expensive finish, but when you actually come and see it in reality, it is worth every euro of whatever it cost to retain those features throughout. Again, lovely window out onto the back. You have a really nice twin room or double room here. Again, you have the lean-to ceiling, exposed stone with the timber cladding halfway down. It's I suppose in one word, absolute. It's just class, you know. And again, look at every little window, every little nook and cranny has been used. Nothing was closed up. You know, it's once again just showing that when this property was set out to be restored, it was set out to be restored to 100%. So then coming out of bedroom 1, and we're into that main reception, back into the heart of the property, which is the open plan kitchen, living, dining. Again, I may not have mentioned in the kitchen, but obviously you have your built-in units, your granite work surfaces, your integrated fan assisted oven and ceramic hob with the extractor hood and fan and tile splashback. You have your dresser unit there to the left hand side. But once again, I'll just show off the nice vaulted ceiling where it then meets the open hearth fireplace. Absolute class. So then as we pop down to the other side of the cottage, we're into the connecting hallway, and that has the kind of maple oak style timber flooring. Again, the timber finish to the ceiling. Nice window offering excellent natural light here to the right hand side. And then here to the left, we have the main bathroom or shower room. And here to the left hand side, you have your hot press house and immersion tank and shelving and additional storage, of course. And fully tiled ceiling to floor main bathroom with the wash hand basin, corner fitted shower tray with your sliding glass panel shower door. And then here to the right hand side is the WC. And then finally rounding off the interior accommodation is bedroom number 2. And once again, a very nicely proportioned room with the timber flooring here. The vaulted ceiling once again with the timber finishes. Great natural light here to the right hand side. And you have another window to the left. And then off of this bedroom, you have your WC as well. So I hope this gives you a nice feel of what's on offer at Kate's Country Cottage in Liscannor. A really stunning part of County Clare, and as I said already, you're just a stone's throw to the cliffs of Moher Cliff Walk. You have the Moher Farm, literally just 100 metres up the road. You have all the byroads that you can enjoy your country walks or cycles, and it's just an overall great place to live while being easy access to both to Shannon Airport, the motorway, all within 35-40 minutes of Kate's country cottage. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing, please feel free to call us on 065 684 0200 or email us info@dngosullivanhurley.com. Thank you very much for watching.